I have allowed you to go and tempt Job. Touch everything he has. This is what I know. Everything Job has is not Job. Everything Job had did not define Job. So touch everything. But he gave a condition. Whenever I am breaking my son, I can't break everything. I must remain something. I have to remain to let my son be. So touch the life of Job, but leave that part. That part that makes Job to be Job. Satan was conditioned. You must not touch that part that makes Job Job. That is the star. That is Job. You have to touch everything. Imagine even the children. This is what I am bringing to your attention. Even the body of Job was touched. Meaning the body of Job was not. The man was sick. Everyone might be far away. That situation. That situation. That discretion. Does not define you.